All right, so let's make some gluten-free vegetarian tostadas. First, turn your oven to medium, then take a pan, add olive oil. I use olive oil because I don't like vegetable oil, so that's what I use. I know it may seem weird, but let the olive oil warm up, and then you take your Gardein plant-based ground, and then you add it to the olive oil, and then after it's sautéed for about, I don't know, 2 minutes, and you see it start to, all the frozen pieces thaw out, then you add your McCormick taco seasoning. I know it's cheating, but I love it. The seasoning is amazing. Then you take your fat-free refried bean. I know a lot of people don't like putting them together, but that's how we do it. We just cook them together. So it makes for more, be able to make more from less. So that's how we do it. I still like to have a lot of the protein along with the bean, and then you take another saucepan, turn it to a little bit below medium, take the olive oil, cover the bottom, and then you take your mission corn tortillas, gluten free, soft corn tortillas, and then after it's warmed up, you um, just set them in the pan, fry them up. I like to get them. I don't like to get them like super crispy, so I'll probably leave them in there, turn them, and then while they're cooking, I take my head of romaine lettuce. I like to cut them into thin slices like this, and it makes for nice shredded lettuce. So then you take your, after about, I don't know, 3 minutes of that, you put onto a paper towel on plate, and then you take your beef and vegetarian grounds, beefless grounds from Gardein, and you just kind of butter your tortillas. Then you take cheddar cheese, pour it on just however you like, how much cheese you like. Then you take your lettuce and you just shred it and top it, and then you add your salsa. I use paste. Oh, before that, you dollop of sour cream. Sometimes I have a hard time of getting that dollop to come off the fork. Maybe there's a better way, but this is how I do it. And then you take your, like I said, I use paste, medium salsa, and I just pour it right on top. And voila, there you have it. Vegetarian, gluten-free tostadas.